guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a mukbang video. This is mukbang but different types of noodles. So I made the spicy Buldak ramen, stir-fried ramen with pepper sausages. This one is the black one and I've added the sauce, like all of it, so it's super spicy. Then this one is chicken chow mein from a local shop near my PG. This is Wai Wai. I've made Sadeko Wai Wai without the vegetables. It's with timur soup, timur dulo. But this is, I think, the veg edition. They didn't have the normal Wai Wai, so they only have the veg Wai Wai. So I've never tried veg Wai Wai. So this is that. And since I'm in India and Maggi is very famous here, I made Maggi. But this is cheese Maggi. So I always have cheese Maggi in my university. And it was actually my first time making Maggi. So I made cheese Maggi. So yeah, I have cheese Maggi, Wai Wai, Chow Mein, chicken Chow Mein, and hot chicken ramen, Buldak ramen with pepper sausages. So let's do the taste test first. I'm gonna start with the Maggi. The Maggi became really cold because I made it at first, and after Maggi I was making other stuffs, so it got cold and it's all sticky. But it tastes really good. When I first tried Maggi, so like I think Maggi got banned in Nepal for some reason. So I had never tried Maggi even before it got banned. So it was the first time I tried Maggi. And I had normal Maggi, not the cheese Maggi. And for some reason it tasted like Rara noodles, the one that we get in Nepal. And yeah, so now Malami Cholaksa. Now this is Wai Wai. This is really good. It's slightly different from the regular Wai Wai, but because of the timur dulo, it tastes very much the same. There is this store, Village Mart, that's right beside where I live, and there's you get all the Buldak ramens and you get Wai Wai and Quicks also as well. But in many departmental stores, say you don't. So this one's right beside where I live, so and it has everything. So I love that store. So Wai Wai Sadeko. Actually, you're supposed to add chopped tomatoes and onion if you like, squeezed lemon, but I didn't do all that. I've just added timur dulo. It adds a lot of flavor to your Sadeko Wai Wai. This is almost Sadeko Wai Wai, not exactly Sadeko Wai Wai, but it's really good. Now let's try the chicken noodles. They gave this plastic fork which looks like it can break any second. I'm gonna use my own fork. So this is chicken chow mein. I miss Nepal's chicken chow mein. So there's this place in New Road in Nepal. It's called New Dish, but I think now they've changed the name and it's New Food. Oh my god, त्यहाँको mixed chow mein is so good. It's my absolute favorite. Let's try this. This isn't bad, but it's nothing like that chow mein, so nothing can beat that. This is good too. I'm really hungry right now, so I think it's tasty. And taco, mixed chow mein and pork momo. Oh my god, a noodle just flew on the bed. Taco chicken chow mein, mixed chow mein and pork momos are the best. It's Tibetan style, and their atta is so different, so good. Whenever I go back home, so before I go back home, my parents and my sister, they ask me what do I miss the most and what do I want to eat. So as soon as I'm out of the airport in the car, I have my meal. They have my meal ready for me. So the first time, I think I really missed kimchi fried rice. So I've never really tried Korean food because you know the good places are super expensive and the okay places are not appealing to me. So really, I haven't had Korean food here at all, except for this one time when I tried to make kimchi fried rice. It wasn't bad, but the taste wasn't good, so I didn't make after that. So I really missed Korean food, so I told them that I wanted Korean food, and I landed, we went to the car and my food was there. Then the second time I went back home, I was craving this mixed chow mein and the pork momo, so they had that ready for me, and then I went and I digged in. So yeah, like the food here in Bangalore is not bad, but sometimes they just don't match my taste buds. I mean, like the food is good, but masala pukdeno, or like it doesn't hit the right spot, you know. So yeah, I really miss Nepal's food a lot, and I'm so glad to be going back home in a few weeks. Now we're gonna try my ramen that I made. I don't know if you guys can see, it looks really good. So let's try it. Yum. So I think I was first introduced to ramen when I was in, I don't know, grade 5 or grade 6 hola. Tibelama ramen wasn't this famous, but it was the first time I had it, and it was the Shin ramen, the non-shinko Shin ramen, which is also really good. It's really mild now, but Tibelama, I found it a little spicy, maybe because I was smaller. But that was the first time I had ramen, and I've always enjoyed eating noodles and soupy stuffs. So